Hello, my name is Pavel. I'm from Poland. I'm living in Mumbai right now, and when I was here, I wanted to get my hair better. I always had a problem with hair loss and not much of it, so I came to New Roots. I found them online, came here. The surgery was yesterday. It took 2 days total, and it was done very professionally. I was taken care of very well, and I like how it looks right now. Now that the healing will begin, I was also given a lot of advice on what to do, and all the medicine, and they have taken very good care of me. So thank you, New Roots, and I highly recommend it.